If you're seeing Gmail error 503, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error can happen for a few different reasons, including service outages, incorrect SMTP settings, or a browser issue. So we'll check each one in the right order to save you time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. The very first thing you should do is check whether Gmail is actually having a service issue. Open your browser and go to the Google Apps Status Dashboard at google.com/appstatus/dashboard. This page will show you the current status of Google services, including Gmail. If Gmail is experiencing an outage, then the problem is not on your side, and the best thing to do is wait until Google restores service. If the dashboard shows everything is working normally, then move on to the next step. Next, you want to verify your SMTP settings, especially if you're using Gmail inside Outlook, Apple Mail, or another email app. A 5003 error can sometimes appear when the app is not authenticating correctly. Make sure SMTP authentication is enabled in your email client. This is important because Gmail needs to verify that the app is allowed to send mail. If authentication is turned off, the server may reject the connection or throw an error. Now let's check the correct Gmail SMTP details. Your SMTP server should be smtp.gmail.com. For the port, you can use 465 if you're connecting with SSL or 587 if you're using TLS. Your username should be your full Gmail address, exactly as it appears, and your password should be either your normal Gmail password or, in many cases, an app password. If any of these details are incorrect, save the settings, test the account again, and see if the error disappears. If you have two-step verification turned on, or if Gmail is blocking the sign-in attempt, you may need to generate a Gmail app password. To do that, open myaccount.google.com/app passwords in your browser. Sign in to the Google account connected to your email app. Then create a new 16-character app password. Google will give you a special password that is designed specifically for apps and devices. Copy that password carefully, then paste it into your email app instead of your regular Gmail password. This often fixes authentication-related Gmail errors immediately. After updating the password, go back to your email app and test the connection again. If you're still seeing the error, the next thing to do is hard refresh Gmail or your browser. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and O. This forces the browser to load the latest version of the page and clears out any temporary display issues that may be causing the problem. If you're using Gmail in a browser and the error still appears, you can also try signing out and signing back in, or opening Gmail in an incognito window to rule out cache data or browser extensions. Sometimes a simple refresh or new session is all that's needed to clear the 503 error. So to recap, first check the Gmail service status, then verify your SMTP authentication settings, confirm the correct SMTP server, port, username, and password, generate an app password if needed, and finally hard refresh your browser. Following these steps in order gives you the best chance of fixing Gmail error 503 quickly and safely. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.